Computer and human. A human
and a computer are very different from each other. Let us learn the differences. Memory. I can store a lot of information and I never forget it. I may not remember many things stored in my brain. Speed. I work very fast and can do many tasks at a time. I work slowly and can do only one task at a time. Accuracy. I can make mistakes. I never make mistakes. Tiredness. I never get tired and can work for a long time. I get tired and need rest after working for some time. Feelings. I have feelings and emotions. I can feel happiness and sadness. I have no feelings or emotions. Hence, a computer is a useful machine, but it is not always better
than a human.